So, should you hard face an anvil? Well, this is my anvil. It's about 150 years old, 160 kilograms. It's in nearly perfect condition. It's priceless. Would I hard face it? Can you touch it? This thing, on the other hand, it's had a hard life. It's been in a farmer's shed. It's basically garden art. It's not good for much. I have welded anvils like this before and I have seen it done. It's obviously not an ideal way to do it, but it works. And ideally what I would do is cut the entire top of the anvil off and replace it with a slab of bisalloy or another hard material like that. But that's not really practical, it's not really worth your time. The PH600 has a hardness of 59 RC for all of the nerds out there who actually know what that means. I have a fair idea what it means, but to me, if it breaks, then it wasn't hard enough, or there wasn't enough weld on it, or it needed more gussets. All we really want to do is get those edges back. We want nice square edges on there. If all you can find is an old anvil like this that needs some love, then yes, hard face it. If you're going to use it as a tool, then yes, you should. You should absolutely hard face it. An anvil is the original milling machine. It's the original 3D printer. The way some of these people online seem to fetishize these old anvils, I'd swear they're scared to hit anything on them. I briefly worked with New Zealand's last qualified blacksmith, and I was not allowed to touch his anvil. His anvil was precious. It was precious. I was not allowed to go anywhere near it. I wasn't even allowed to learn on it. I had to learn on a piece of railway track. This anvil belongs to a friend of mine, and all she wants to do with it is shoe horses. She's looked at new anvils and they're thousands of dollars, and old anvils in good condition are thousands of dollars, and old anvils in bad condition are almost thousands of dollars. All I really want to do is square it up a little bit and make it workable again, make it useful. It's going to get thrown in the back of a ute, it's going to be dragged around shoeing horses. It's not hard work. Shoeing horses, farrier work, it's not heavy work for an anvil. You're not fire welding with it, which is a whole nother topic that maybe one day I'll go into, but there are people on YouTube that are far better at that stuff than I am, so I'd defer to them on that. So should you hard face an anvil? Maybe. Maybe.